Okay, so we have corn syrup and water so far.
I'm getting the sugar.
We're trying to scrape for that.
We're hoping we have enough.
And we're making peanut brittle. I have the recipe right here on my phone. And like one more. And it said to stir it in with a wooden spoon in a big white pot. So that's what I'm doing. And I don't know what heat it's supposed to be on. Oh, heat it to a rolling boil. Okay, so pause. We used all of our vanilla extract this morning for our pancakes.
Earlier today.
So Ian is about to go to 7-Eleven and get that. It's on 8 right now. I don't know if I should make this higher. I'm just gonna let it kind of sit there instead of stirring it. So it can just get to a boil, you know? If you guys can see it. I'm kind of at that stage. Add peanuts. Let me add the freaking peanuts. You're on the paper towel. 3 cups of peanuts that we need. I have them right here. They're salted. I don't know if they're supposed to be salted. Okay, we need it in this. We get fast. I had to do it fast, and so I put in this corn syrup measuring cup. Add peanuts, reduce heat to low medium. So I'm putting it at 3-4. I love you, hurry. Give me a kiss, wait, I'll see you soon. Okay, he's getting the vanilla. We gotta keep stirring this guy. And I need a thermometer. I don't know if I can just use any thermometer. Pretty sure I can't. So I'm gonna see. 1 second. I don't exactly know when 293 degrees Fahrenheit hits. I guess we'll find out. Maybe dip my finger in it. Make sure it's not as hot as my straightener. It's looking good. Now, if you're allergic to a lot of things, this is totally not something you should be making, obviously. I mean, it has nuts, it has corn, it has a bunch of sugar. It's not good for you, okay? But it's so yummy, so I'm making it. I'm gonna make it a little bit lower because Ian needs to get the vanilla, and that's the next step. Oh shoot, the butter. 2 tablespoons of butter. Take my jacket off. Okay, we're gonna do unsalted butter. That's for this guy. I hope this does well. Hello? What? They don't have it?
No, they don't have it.
Okay, what do we do?
Yeah, I'll just have it right now.
Okay, so 7-Eleven doesn't have it. He's gonna go to Safeway. It's not super far, but I mean, we gotta do what we gotta do, you know what I mean? We need the freaking vanilla.
Try it?
It's so good.
Really? Will you try the piece of it?
I scooped a piece of it from the pot, and when it hardened,
Oh, wow.
it's a little bit like roasty, like a little bit overcooked maybe, but it's so good. How much vanilla do we have left? We spilled like all of it. Hey, stop. We got impatient, so we're eating Oreos.
Milk syrup cookie. Oh, look.
Watching the Italian Job. Starring Mark Wahlberg. Got a late start to our day, but that's okay. It's still light out at least. We covered the peanut brittle with some foil, and then we put it into the garage because the garage is literally like 40 degrees. I mean, it's hard. Alright, we gotta figure out what to like smash this with. It's like kind of soft almost.
Oh. Well, that's what it looks like. Our peanut brittle.
It's so hard. Yeah, it's definitely not peanut brittle.
No.
The flavor is good. That's sad. It's okay. Attempt number 2 will happen next time. Until then, see you on the next one. So it's Sunday now. I think, when did we do it? Friday? So obviously that didn't work out. Look.
That's how it's supposed to look.
Yeah, tell them, baby.
This is the best peanut brittle I've ever had, I think.
Oh wow, it focused right on the peanut brittle. Crunchy, nutty goodness.
That's what you're trying to, that's what you're aiming for every time. What we did was, but not quite there.
The
we were like one step away.
It was the flavor was good.
Oh, the texture was completely off.
It just didn't get hard.
Yeah.
We waited a long time to put the vanilla extract in. And then I think I didn't wait long enough to like heat it up again.
And his candies.
And I'm probably gonna make creme brulee later, so.
Oh yeah!
My Christmas tree.
Now that's a good idea.
Yeah. Hope you enjoyed my peanut brittle video. Bye!